Traveja. And this is the Hunter board. A premium electrical skate with a really high build quality. It is all built of this aluminium alloy, and it's designed and produced in Europe by a Portuguese team. So a huge thumbs up to Hunter Boards team. In terms of the motor, it has 3600 watts and it has a hybrid motor between hub and direct drive, which will give us the best protection possible and also the best air cooling solution possible. Weighs 9 kilograms with a maximum speed of 50 kilometers per hour with a 38 kilometers range limit, which is awesome. It has this dual suspension system on the front and on the back, really strong. It has brakes with battery regeneration technology, which will charge a little bit of the battery as soon as we brake, so it will use that energy to regenerate. But the thing that I did enjoy the most is the way that the brakes work. They will not spin me just like crazy. It is a controlled brake, which can adjust the amount of pressure that I want to use on the brake. So that was an awesome experience and gave me confidence to go down several streets that and it's also waterproof. Don't dive with it, but if it's raining and if there's water here, no issues whatsoever. The remote control, it's really interesting as well. It will give us a lot of options. The menu, for example, it's complete. It will give us 4 different modes. One is the soft, which was the one that I did start. The second mode is the cruising mode, which I believe that it's a balanced mode and it was a lot of fun using it. Actually, it is my favorite. Then we have the rainy mode, which I haven't tried. And finally, the sport mode, which will give us full blast. But we can also customize a mode for ourselves. We can choose the maximum speed, we can choose the maximum braking, and we can also choose the turning point. It has the battery indication and the battery of the remote. It also has the signal between the skate and the remote, the instant speed, and the travel kilometers that we have done. Besides the control on braking, we also have the same control in terms of speeding it up. Take a moment and look all around you. I don't want you caught off guard. On the most aggressive styles, we will have always an adjustment that we can just select if we want to go faster or slower, which gives us a lot of control. So in conclusion, I'm loving the experience. That being said, hope that you guys enjoyed the video and that I was able to transmit to that side of the screen the experience that I'm having with the Hunter board. And if that was the case, don't forget to leave a thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Muito bom. sensação top andar aqui. Esta pista, brutal mesmo. Mais 2 horinhas.